Hello! Right now we're going to go over this method called select case. Now, select case, they are similar to if statements. However, they use a variable or expression that has a certain value instead of a simple true or false Boolean value for their main input. Now, this is more effective and readable than using an if and else if combinations over and over again. If you're looking at specifically one single value of a variable and trying to match things up. Now, this method using syntax can actually have as many different cases as you want, and you can do this by just simply adding the case keyword and whatever value that you're looking at. And you can also use case else, which kind of acts like else and if statement by the fact that this is the default. If none of the things are found, this is where you will end up executing some code. Now, select case has this syntax. You first start with the keywords select case and then whatever variable or value that you're putting in here. Finally, you're going to go through and have different cases for the different values that you have pointing to this one variable. And you can have as many as you want by keep adding them. But then finally, at the end, if you want to, you can put case else. But the one thing that you do need is to put select or end select at the very end. So that would wrap up the entire select case in your own little wrapper. Now, we're going to do this example real quick. And this is going to actually show you how this can be effective in a real life type of scenario. So let's say that you have some type of organization method where you have employee IDs and they're matched up to names or whatever. Well, you can have these names here in your list. And right here we defined employee ID as an integer, and we're just going to set it to 1 right now. So here we have our select case, our employee ID, case 1, case 2, case 3, case else, and select, finishing it off. If we go through here and step through, you can see here the value is 1. So it jumps down here to case 1 and says, does this match? Yes, it does. Execute this. After that, it goes to the end of end select, and we finish our sub procedure. Now, if we do this for case 2, or the employee ID for 2, goes down here, sees employee ID is the value 2 up here. Is it case 1? Nope. Is it case 2? Yes. Then it goes here and says the employee's name is Brian. Finally, I won't show you case 3 because that's really irrelevant, but let's say the case is 4,556. Well, goes down here, is it case 1? Nope. Case 2? Nope. Case 3? Nope. Otherwise, we're going to say no case is found within the list that we have for our code.